Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Gardener and the Deen. A moral story: do not betray people who trust you. A deer often visited the king's garden. It was handsome and had little spots all over its fawn body. One day, the king said, "Gardener, catch the deer. I want to keep it in the palace. It is a gentle animal. It will play with the princes and the princesses." The gardener put some honey on the grass. The deer loved the taste of honey and grass and became friendly. Then, the gardener dropped the honey grass along the path to the palace. The deer greedily followed till it entered the palace. When it heard the door shut, it panicked and began to run around. The king felt sorry and said, "Let it go, for it trusted the gardener, who betrayed it. I should not have told the gardener to bring the deer to me by betraying its trust." The palace door was opened and the deer ran off.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.